What's up, everybody? It's your boy Paper Drew, back with another video. First and foremost, if you're ready, willing, and able, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoy the content, and go ahead and hit that little notification bell so when I drop new content, you'll be one of the first to know about it. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So today's video is something that I got for a steal. Now, I know in one of my previous videos, I did say that I wasn't gonna get these particular shoes, as you know from the thumbnail and the description, the link, all that stuff. I did wind up getting the Yeezys. Now, most of you guys are probably gonna say, why did you get them in a bag? Like, where did these come from that you got these in a bag? Well, I got these from JD Sports, and if you guys know, JD Sports is based out of the UK, and there was a code floating around, and that's why I tell you guys to follow me on social media, Snapchat, and my Instagram, because there was a code floating around about 3 o'clock in the morning on that Saturday that these dropped. So today is Saturday, so it took roughly about a week to get, which is not bad considering it came from the UK. So some of you, like Yeezy Supply, some of you companies, hint hint, need to probably get on your logistics game, because this came pretty fast.
That's what she said.
With that being said, these did come from the UK, and there was a code floating around for some crazy code, man, and it was getting these way below retail. And I'll see if they sent me the receipt. Before I show you guys the shoes, I will show you guys the amount that I paid for these. Bam, there you go. Let me see, make sure I got this in the camera so you guys can see it. That is how much I paid, and I'll take a picture so you guys can see it, but I think you guys can see that pretty well. Was 130 British pounds and 59 cents, which broke out to be like 160 something. So from 234, if I would have paid locally, because I did win them at my Foot Locker House of Hoops, went ahead and left them because, like I said, it was between those and the Spider-Mans, and you guys saw that I did get the Spider-Mans and the same day, and I was on the fence about them, and I still haven't even seen them. So I was kind of like, do I get them? Do I not get them? But at that price, I was like, this is a no-brainer. I had to get it. So they do send I guess a little duffel bag thing, so there's like a little gift, which is pretty dope. Even with them being sent from the UK in a bag of all things, not double boxed at all, not too much damage. Like I would have, like when somebody told me that they were coming in a bag, because I did order one of my previous Ultra Boost videos a while back, maybe about a year ago. I bought something from wiggle.com, which is another UK based website who sells Ultra Boost and running shoes mainly, but they came in a bag as well, and that box came like immaculate. Like some of the boxes I've gotten from Adidas and Nike double box come destroyed compared to those. So as you can see, the little bit of damage here, like on the seams, which kind of sucks, but right there, there's a little crease. But other than that, they came in good condition. So as you can see, the size tag is going to be different than what we get here in the United States, because it is from the UK. So it's a size 10.5 US, UK 10, 44, blah, 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 blah. So you guys can see it's the semi-frozen raw steel and the red, and it's the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. You guys already know what these are. So let's get into the box. As you can see, let's take this and just drop this right here. Okay, so as you can see, they come like this. Take a look like that and like this. Now, I haven't ever gotten these where they're like sitting up like this in this way, but the ones that I do see from the UK, a lot of people do, they were asking, and they do come like this. So this is them, as you can see. Let me put the box down so I can see it myself. These are dope, man. These are sick. I've seen these in hand obviously before, but having them in my own possession, knowing that they are mine, makes them a little more dope in my opinion. Now, the cool thing seems to be now, like, people shitting on this shoe for some reason, but when they were limited and there was hardly any pairs out there, and they were not super expensive, but they were going for like $500-600 but when people knew that this was the most limited Yeezy and there was like not that many pairs out there and the hype was still going, people who weren't talking as much shit as I see them talking now about this particular shoe. So now that this came out, a little bit more numbers, people were able to get their hands on them. Now people are buying them. Like, why buy the shoe if you don't like the shoe? Like, I don't understand that. Like, this, excuse me for the rant, but this is like, it's like, why buy the shoe if you don't like the shoe? Make a video about the shoe, how much you hate the shoe, and then what, take the shoe back or send it to tell somebody else. Like, why buy the shoe? Like, don't buy it. Don't even buy it. You don't like the shoe? Don't buy the shit. Like, just skip and make some other content about something else that you like, that people are gonna enjoy. Like, people are not gonna enjoy, at least in my opinion. Like, I don't enjoy watching videos where people are bashing a shoe that they don't like. Like, if you don't like it, just don't buy the shit. There's no point in you spending your money saying how much you hate the shit and then sending it back. Like, I don't understand that, but that's just me personally. Let me know in the comments down below if you feel the same way. But I've seen a lot of people buying the shoe just to bash the shit out of it and then be like, oh, I hate the shoe. Like, the shoe's so ugly. Oh my God, why would they make the shoe look like this? Blah, blah, blah. Like, why? What's the point of that? It's not positive. That's horrible. Like, well, why do that? So if you made the video like that, nothing against you. I just don't see it. For me personally, that's not my idea. Like, I don't understand why somebody would do that. But again, it's my opinion. Everybody has their own opinions. They're like, you know what. But to me, I think this shoe was sick. That's the only reason I bought it. Was it worth the $230 something after tax? In my opinion, no. And that's why I didn't pay that. But if you did and you liked it, more power to you. I just so happened to come up on a code. There was a code floating around. I got blessed with it. And I bless those who follow my Instagram. It was 3 o'clock in the morning. So, I mean, even if you do follow my Instagram and Snapchat and you didn't see it, don't blame yourself, because it was literally 3 o'clock in the morning. These dropped. They even dropped on Yeezy Supply at the same time. The code was floating around. I was looking on Yeezy Supply. I was like, it was like $250 after tax or $240 after, not tax, but shipping. It was like $20 for shipping. So I was like, nah, I'm not going to get them. Then I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get a Spider-Man's and call it a day. Christmas is coming. I'll buy stuff for other people, take that money, put it somewhere else. But then the code came up, and then it worked. I was able to check out. Other people were able to check out. And then they pulled them off the site, canceled a bunch of orders. So I didn't even know if I was going to actually get these. That's the only reason I haven't done my top video yet. I was waiting for these to come in or waiting for them to get canceled. I wasn't sure to make my top pickup video, because that video is coming up next. So stay tuned for that. But back to the shoes. You guys can see that the tags are a little bit different than what we get here in the United States. It comes with this extra drop tag, and I think that they're supposed to, in the United States, comes with the RFID chip inside one, but this one doesn't come with it. Doesn't look like it. You got your normal toe box tissue paper. You got your insole. Hopefully these don't fit super tight. People have been talking about they fit super tight, or the knit was different or whatever, so we'll see. Let's see if I throw that to the side. Oh, let me see this. So you guys can see the insole, and then the insole bottom part there. And then the size tag, I don't think you guys will be able to see it, but it does show, what's the date? Oh, 8/18. So 8/18 is the one that's in here, and US size 10.5. I don't know if you guys be able to see that. Hopefully you can. If not, just know that that's what it says. That's the boost. Just a quick 360. I think these are dope, man. Untied, or sorry, untied, unlaced, loose lace, like the hype beast lace. Like you guys know, I like to wear my shoes. Definitely will be going down that way. Hopefully, I'll be able to wear them sometime soon. But that's the plan. The gum bottom, love the gum bottom. The highlighter yellow, that's my style. I like shit like that. Call me weird, I don't know. But if these would have dropped a few years ago when like Nike was doing all the Volt shit, and the Volt will come back eventually. It's one of those things where it's, you know, circular. Like, that's fashion. You know, it'll go around. People don't like these now. A few years from now, if that whole Volt thing comes up, you see somebody rocking these, you're gonna be like, oh damn, those are hard, and then it's gonna go all around again. But to me, these are dope. That's why I picked them up, especially at that price. It was a no-brainer. Again, like I said, it was $164 something after tax, shipped. Like, I couldn't even possibly pass that up. Like, if you would have seen that price for that same price, I don't know if you would have passed it up either. It would not have been wise to pass it up at that price. So here's the other one, and the fact that they ship, big shout out to JD Sports for shipping them and honoring the code. I don't like to say shout out to too many companies when I'm giving them my money, because it's like I paid you for it, so you're not doing me a favor. I'm kind of doing you a favor. But in this case, they kind of did everybody who they went ahead and didn't cancel a favor because they did honor the code, and they also did go ahead and ship out in a timely fashion at that. So super dope, super sick. Yeah, man. So that's it. That's all I can say about them. Let me know down below if you guys copped or you didn't cop. Do you think these are whack? People call them the P-Bras, but I don't know, man. And like I said, I've seen these in hand before, but it's like it was like quick because these were super limited, and if somebody had them and let you hold them, they're kind of like especially like a sneaker show or whatever, they're kind of like, don't run off my shit. So it's like holding on to them. If you're calling them the P-Bras, I don't see, if your piss is this yellow, you probably need to go see a doctor, or drink some more water or something. But these definitely highlighter yellow, definitely highlighter yellow, and it's not black, it's that blue. It's like that raw. It's steel. It's like a blue. It's a blue color. It's like a light. It's a dark blue. It's like almost like a gray, but it's dope. I like them. I'm gonna rock them. So it's whatever. So let me know what you guys think down below. Did you cop? Did you not cop? Are these on your top list of 2018? I think that if you cop them, then they should be. You know what I mean? They're gonna be in mine, but you have to wait to that video to see what's gonna happen. So let me know down below what you guys think. Cop, not cop, are they whack, are they just hype, whatever the case may be. And as always, been your boy Paper Drew. Like, comment, subscribe, not because I asked you, but because you like the content. And as always, y'all, stay blessed. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, y'all. See you on the next video.